Hi, this is a video. Since I kind of know what I'm doing with this animation, well, not animation, what am I saying? I don't understand. Well, I found a screen recorder, as you can probably tell. And so I'm just gonna be drawing because this is great quality art. Everything start with circle, which I can't even make with the circle tool. No. I cannot draw and talk at the same time. It's too hard. If you hear my mom downstairs, don't blame me, blame her. Shush! That's not how noses work. This is probably gonna be boring. I am sorry. I am honestly so sorry. Do you understand this is how I feel? Also, people seem to need help with pronouncing Skinman's name. Yeah, it's pronounced Skinman's, not Skinmin, or anything else you thought it was. Skinman's. I came up with it when I was like 3. Shoot. Oh, and I used circle tool. Sue me. Circle tool isn't really drying. I don't care. This looks terrible. Woo. Beautiful. Now give it legs. It's a frog. Ta-da! Oh shoot. And that's how you draw. Goodbye!